Some days, I feel so lost. Yung grit, yung drive, yung goal setting ko when I was around my early 20s is different from what I feel now. I feel like I'm not on track. And sometimes, and there are also days that I feel like I'm doing okay. Being lost or yung maligaw tayo is really helpful. In a sense that it's a reminder, it can be a wake-up call, or it can also be like a reroute. It can also be a redirection. Because I always believe that what we think when we were younger, like early 20, hindi lahat ng yun ma-achieve natin. Hindi lahat yun mangyayari. When you're 30, most of us are really struggling. Struggling and juggling between what we wanted to be and what do we want to have in life. Nandun tayo sa part na, ito ba talaga yung gusto ko? Ito ba yung talaga yung kailangan ko? Ito ba yung nakakapagpasaya sa akin? Ito ba yung opportunity na gusto ko talaga? No one can give you the right answer to that. Pero minsan nakakatuwa din na you started questioning yourself because you are starting to be reminded again. Like, ano ba talagang purpose ko? Ano ba talaga ang role ko dito? And I think the universe is looking at us